Right, we installed a Ghost into this Audi S5. It's a brand new one, 2021 model. It's the latest facelift version as well. So just to demonstrate that, so we start the engine up. It starts, as it should, but it locks the gears, so you can't actually put it into gear to drive. So what we do, turn it on, enter the code, get 2 flashes to indicate that it's actually disengaged. Now start the engine up, and now it goes into gear. And that's the Autowatch Ghost on this brand new Audi S5. Got an Abarth 595, and it's coming for a Category 1 thatch improved alarm and immobiliser. What we installed is a Pandora Mini BT, and as standard it'll come with interior sensor, shock sensor, motion sensor, tilt sensor, as well as shock worn away sensor as well. All the doors are protected, bonnet's protected, so any intrusion will trigger the alarm system off. Works with a factory remote. As long as you carry the unique Pandora tag, but without it you could unlock the doors, it's now searching for the tag. If it doesn't see the tag, the alarm will start triggering, like so. It's also mobilised, so you cannot start it, as you can see. Will not start. Right, put the battery in the tag, so we now have the tag present. Unlock it again. It's now chirped. Now it starts. And simply use the factory remote, and that also disarm the arm. You can actually use the tag as a remote as well. I'll personally just carry on using the factory remote, but in an emergency this could be used. Just to show you. And that's the Pandora Mini BT, a Category 1 thatch improved alarm and immobiliser installed onto this Fiat Abarth 595. Here we have a Ford Fiesta ST Mark 7, very popular car, especially in the Ford scene. Unfortunately, these are stolen on a regular basis as well, so we added extra security to this vehicle because it is a completely keyless system. We fitted the Viper 106V, which is a Category 2 insurance approved immobiliser. So if we try to start it, as you can see, it won't start. So we have the receptacle. Disengage the immobiliser. Now it starts. Very easy to use, but at least it protects the vehicle. Right, I've taken out the old alarm system that was in here. It's well, it's supposed to be a Category 1 car alarm and immobiliser. Interesting choice of location for ultrasonics, I like to say. It only taken me a few seconds to locate the alarm and not that much longer to remove it, so yeah, that's quite nice. Because this is an immobiliser, it's supposed to have a dual point immobiliser, and what I've done, I've connected one circuit up and I've left the other circuit open. I'm not going to show it to you, so you've got to take my word for this one. So, so it shouldn't really technically start. but it does. So what they've actually immobilised is the stereo, and what it comes down to is they can steal the car, but they can't listen to the stereo. Hello, testing testicles.